and welcome to the Amrita School of Biotechnology presents Excellence Simplified in association with Republic TV. Dr. Modi, if I could come to you next. Now, what really, according to you, are the challenges that one faces in the Indian market, and how do companies essentially overcome it?
Biotechnology requires a huge amount of investments. Biotechnology drugs or drugs that come through a biotechnology route requires a lot of R&D as well as investments in terms of infrastructure creation, and the cost of these drugs is definitely much higher than the small molecule based drugs, okay, the pharma drugs. This is where the problem comes about. How do we make these drugs affordable so that it can reach to the people in India? And in the last 10 years, a tremendous progress has come about. Much of the weightlifting has been done by either the government bodies or private institutions or companies that have everything integrated, right from the start clone development to the final formulation and finished product development. Every part of it is either run through by big pharma companies or in support of the government. Here what we really need is some kind of a venture capitalist to come in and kind of also make sure that they recognize certain niche technologies and kind of create startups. And if we have more startups, there can be much more developments of newer drugs that India desperately needs. Now let us look at the other side of the problem. The problem is also having the right skill developments. India has by far the best students from theoretical learning point of view, but they do not get enough opportunity to work in a laboratory that has all the infrastructure. And that's where industry can participate in a supportive role, where by offering small internship programs for these students, especially when they are in the last semester of their master's program. Let's say if they spend 6 months in an industrial environment, they are likely to learn every nitty-gritties that goes behind the development of a biotech drug. And this is where we have been all the time associated with Amrita University, where we have seen some good students come to us for learning, and they go back with the confidence that they can probably be good for any other industry to work for. So this is what probably many universities could benefit through association with the industry.